the door when them guns go.
Racket coming out of the back and dead at you, throwing a hot lead at you. Swang affiliate, XO sip, I go get her with the rest together, I'm a cold killer. It's me against the world like Tupac and like Biggie. I'm ready to die for what you got. Got a crew of killers behind me, I'm grimy. I'm rolling a big body, blowing cushions where you can find me. For figures, we bust triggers, who can fuck with us? W40, Price Barrel plus RZA. Stick you with the blade, we out to get paid. And for the moolah, we intertwine like French braids. And I can't fight the feeling like one way when it comes down to this gangster shit and gunplay. For the Louis computer, quick to shoot it, so hit the switch, pump fluid and bang the music.
I don't care what it takes, we gon' make it. They say the chain's too strong for us to break it. Willing to do what it takes for us to make it. And we can overcome anything we face.
Now soldiers after all, now